Welcome to Singing with Ron! Hello, in this video I want to answer the question, what is support? So, what I find with most singers is that there's a confusion between breathing and breath and support. Uh, they're the same muscles, and I think that's why they get confused all the time. And what I think ends up happening for a lot of singers, and also because of like the traditional style of singing, which has a lot more air in it, so the operatic styles and the classic styles of singing. But today's pop music and today's um, belting styles and all that kind of stuff is a lot less air, but you still need a lot of support. So if so you have to plus you have to relax the right muscles, right? So if I relax too much, I'm like a noodle. Happy birthday to you. If I stand up straight, take a nice breath. Happy birthday to you. But if I engage and I feel like, and I've got this kettlebell, and I feel like I'm pulling this kettlebell apart so that my chest, my pecs are opening up. I feel like it's engaged down here, my obliques. I'm breathing into my back and my sides and my chest. And I create a sense of strength, but not a sense of tension, just a sense of strength. So relaxed, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. So that strength is what we call support. And that's what you need in order to make a nice big resonant sound, but not a whole bunch of air. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'm pushing a whole bunch of air. Happy birthday. But if I think about calling sound to me and supporting strongly, happy birthday, then I get a nice big easy sound. So I hope that answers the question for you. Thanks.